I'm Nicole, and today I'm making the softest, cheesiest, most irresistible garlic bread you've ever had. A 3-cheese pan brioche garlic bread, perfect for impressing guests or simply indulging in pure comfort food. Let's get started. We begin by activating the yeast, dissolving it in warm milk with a little sugar. This jumpstarts the fermentation and gets our dough moving. Next, we add the eggs and mix well. A touch of honey or liquid malt boosts flavor, improves color, and helps the brioche rise beautifully. Now we incorporate the flour, followed by the salt. And it's time for the butter, added gradually and kneaded in until fully absorbed. A stand mixer makes this faster, yes, but with a little patience, you can achieve the same silky result by hand. We let the dough rest for 30 minutes, and then give it a few folds to build strength and structure. Once smooth, we shape it into a ball and let it rise for 2 to 3 hours until doubled in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare that garlic butter filling. Since I'm in Italy, I'm using kissing garlic or alione, but you can use regular garlic as well. For freshness, we add finely chopped parsley, then simply blend softened butter with finely minced garlic. Until smooth and fragrant. This garlic butter is what takes our cheesy pan brioche to the next level. And of course, don't forget to season to taste. A few pinches of salt. Time to shape our brioche. With the dough ready, roll it out to about 6 to 7 millimeters thick. That's just under 1/4 of an inch. And roughly 30 by 30 centimeters, or 12 by 12 inches. Spread the garlic butter evenly over the surface. And sprinkle generously with grated cheese. Here I've chosen Parmigiano Reggiano and Gruyere. and some dry shredded mozzarella. What cheese will you add to your garlic bread? Let me know in the comments. Now there are 2 ways to shape this bread. The first method is layered squares. Cut the dough into 9 equal squares. Then stack them to create that perfect pull-apart effect. The second option is a spiral roll. Simply roll the dough into a tight log, forming a beautiful swirl of cheese and garlic butter. Which method do you prefer? Tell me in the comments. Place the shaped dough into a baking pan and let it proof one last time, about 30 minutes. And it's the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to bake. But before baking, we brush the top with egg yolk to achieve that rich golden crust. Bake in a static oven at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for 40 minutes until deeply golden and fully baked. And now for the moment of truth, pulling apart those soft, cheesy layers. Once out of the oven, I finish with a light brush of melted butter and another sprinkle of fresh parsley. Fluffy, buttery, with a crisp golden crust and gooey melted cheese in every bite. So tell me, layered squares or spiral roll? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you love classic recipes from around the world, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new one. This is Nicole from Sweet Savory World, signing off, and Happy New Year!